Hello, students. Welcome back. After a long vacation, class 9th, chapter 12, Subhashit Saptakam, a bunch of 7 good sayings. Subhashit, Su plus Bhashit. Su, it means good. Bhashit, saying. So, Subhashita's meaning a beautiful saying or a moral. In Sanskrit, there are many features of epigrams. This is well known. Explanation of the word can be interpreted in at least 2 different ways. The adjective Shobnam may be taken to refer the sterling manner in which some common thought is expressed. It can also mean the most original thought. One is that these are small verses which are able to contain an ocean of wisdom in a small vessel. These have been continuously sung by common people and kept alive down the ages. They nourish life. Moreover, Sanskrit epigrams are the nutrition and sustenance of universal feeling as well as the stream of sanskar, traditions. Already we read, we learn, we should follow our tradition. Our ancestors composed these epigrams based on the value that they imbibe in their wisdom, and these are popular to these days. These epigrams of a bygone age are still relevant. Even today, these epigrams without any discrimination shows the path of living a happy and ideal life. We shall here learn 7 epigrams which are like precious gems of Sanskrit language, and whatever values we learn from them, we shall try to imbibe in ourselves. In this chapter, some line will surely remain in our memory. They will inspire us to do the best. So, let us start our chapter. The first shloka, first epigram. Shanai pantha, Shanai kantha, Shanai parvat langanam, Shanai vidya, Shanai vittam, Panchaitani, Shanai Shanai. Shanai, it means slowly. Okay? Pantha, kantha, parvat langanam, vidya vityam. These 5 things should be done slowly. Start from first. Walk slowly along the road. Shanai pantha. Shanai kantha. Use the patches garment slowly. Shanai parvat langanam. Cross the mountain slowly. Shanai vidya. Learn slowly. Shanai vidyam. Acquire wealth slowly. Panchai etani. Etani, these. Panch, 5. These 5 things should be done slowly. The second one, Sheelam, Shauryam, Manalashyam, Pandityam, Mitra Sangraham, Achor Harniyani, Panchaitani, Akshayo Nidhi. Nidhi, it means treasure. Khajana. Sheelam, character. Shaurya Analashyam, bravery. Analashyam, absence of laziness. Pandityam, scholarship. Mitra Sangraha, collection of good friend. Okay, so these 5 are imperishable treasure that cannot be stolen by thieves. no one can steal your character, your bravery, absence of laziness, scholarship, and collection of good friends. So we should focus, or we should try to collect only these things so that no one can stolen our these 5 treasure. 3. सहति श्रेयसी पुंसां विघ्नेष्वपि बन्धुषु तुषैरपि परिभ्रष्टा न प्ररोहन्ति तण्डुला. Unity with even worthless relative is beneficial. Sahati, unity. Shreyasi, beneficial. Punsam, of man, this is the plural form. Vigneshuhu api, possessing reserve quality, either worthless. Bandhushu, relative. Tushai rapi, tushahi plus api. Api, it means also. Tushai, husk. Paribhrashta, separate, separation. Na prarohanti, not grow. Tandula, rice. Unity with even worthless relative is beneficial because the rice grain, once is separated from the husk, do not grow. Mam toyam nasti chatma samam balam nasti chakshu samam tejo nasti dhanya samam priyam. Meg samam na asti toyam. There is no water like the cloud. Meg, cloud, toyam, water. Na asti cha atma samam balam. Atma samam cha balam na asti. And there is no strength like self. Na asti chakshu samam tejo. There is no luster like the eyes. Na asti dhanya samam priyam. And nothing is as pleasing as grain. Generally, these 4 is that they are natural. The rainwater is purest. Willpower of a person is very important than any other power. The luster in eyes reflect both the physical and mental status. Now, what is more pleasing than crops? Nothing. Next, Satyam tapo gnanam ahinsata cha vidvat pramanam cha sushiltam cha etani yo vidhati sa vidvan nahi ek paksho vihaga prayati. Satyam, satya, tap, ज्ञान, अहिंसा, विद्वत प्रणामम, सुशीलता. अहिंसा, नॉन वायलेंस. सत्यम, ट्रुथ. तप, पेनेंस. ज्ञान, नॉलेज. अहिंसा, नॉन वायलेंस. विद्वत प्रणामम, salutation, the learned person. Sushiltam, and good character. Etani yo vidhati sa vidvan. A person who accomplish these things. Nahi ek paksho vihaga prayati. Because the bird having one wing cannot fly. Dear student, here the writer wants to teach us that having a lot of information does not make a real scholar. Scholarship should be supported by virtue. A scholar without the virtue is like a bird having only one wing, and having one wing is as bad as having no wing. The next one, काष्ठात अग्नि जायते मध्यमानात्. काष्ठात plus अग्नि जायते मध्यमानात्. मध्यमानात् when we rubbed each other. भूमि तोयम खन्यमानां ददाति. भूमि ही तोयम खन्यमानां, that is being dug. स उत्साहानां न अस्ति असाध्यं नराणां. मार्गरब्धः सर्वयत्नः फलन्ति. काष्ठात् wood, agni fire, madhyamanat having rubbed, bhumihi earth, toyam water, khanyamanam having dug. Sa utsahanam for the enthusiastic. Nasti asadhyah, na asti asadhya is not impossible. Margrabda started in the right direction. Phalanti become fruitful. Fire is produced from the wood that is rubbed against the other wood. The earth that is being dug gives us water. Nothing is impossible for the enthusiastic man. All the efforts started in the right direction become fruitful. पात्रं न तापयति नैव मूलं प्रसूते. स्नेहं न संहरति नैव गुणान् चिनोति. द्रव्यावसान समये चलतां न धत्ते. सत्पुत्र एव कुलसद्यनि कोऽपि दीपः. Satputra, a good son. We started from last line. Satputra, good son. Kulsadhyani, in the house, in the form of dynasty. Ko-api deepa, a certain lamp. Patram na tapayati. Patram, it means the vessel or a worth person. There are two meanings of few words. Patram, so one is vessel and the another one is worthy person. Na tapayati, meaning does not heat or does not make unhappy. Naiva malam prasute, malam, it means soot, and the another meaning is moral taint. Sneham na saharti, sneham, oil or ghee, other affection. Gunan means vice or virtue. Dravya avasana, termination of material, either poverty. Chalatam na dhatte, does not flicker or does not become inconstant. So let us start our shlokas meaning. This illustrious sun is an indescribable or unique lamp in the house of dynasty. It does not heat the vessel, does not produce soot, does not finish oil or ghee, does not demise the wicks, does not flicker at the time of termination or material. So dear student, in case of sun, he does not make the worthy person unhappy. He not become unsteady at the time of poverty. In this last sloka, we should learn how to become a good son. Hope you understand.